The top priority of SciCan for elder-oriented reform is definitely the home care beds. This bed is definitely designed for elder people. It provides them with some comprehensive care functions. So there is the back rest adjustments, the leg rest adjustments, and the high adjustments. Moreover, its features are sturdy and durable design. It has teak, head foot, broad, independent wheel form, 8 casters, metal side rails, etc. All these features can largely reduce the risk of falls from the bed for the elder people, ensuring their safety at home. So if you want to customize, we also have different head and foot designs, guardrail designs, caster type, and optional accessories that are gonna meet your needs. SciCan is fully committed to provide full care for elder people. So if you are interested in our product, please contact us.